Alright, so we are back for another sound test, guys, and this is from your request. You want to have a KZ shootout. So we now have the most popular $20 KZs, and I did put the VK4 in because you guys requested it as well. So we have the KZ ZSN Pro X, your bright V brother. You have the ZST X, your more bassy brother. Your EDX, your entry level. And you have the DQ6 as well, the newest dynamic driver counterpart, and of course the VK4. One of my favorites as well in the $20 range. So actually, in terms of the signature, definitely you'll hear the KZ type of signature. It will be apparent to you when you listen to it. So yeah, definitely for KZ fans out there, all the KZs has still that signature, but actually one stood out to be a bit different from the others. But yeah, let me know which one is for you, and of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. Let's start the sound test now.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.